Meet the 4-axis rotary sock printer, CO80-210PRO. Use this sock printer to print socks, eye sleeves, wristbands. Use high-quality sublimation ink and Epson i1600 printing head to obtain excellent printing quality. These print heads utilize micro-piezoelectric technology, supporting ink droplets as small as 3.8 place and multi-level grayscale control, resulting in detailed, clear prints. With a maximum print resolution of 600 dpi, they enable high-precision output. This 4-axis sock printer CO80-210PRO uses a visual positioning system to accurately identify and print. When the toes and heels of socks have different colors, the visual positioning system can perfectly avoid these positions. Colorido's sock printer helps you turn your creativity into reality. You can print on a variety of materials: cotton, polyester, nylon, wool, bamboo fiber. Thanks to the digital printing process, you can print any pattern and any color without restrictions. We are here to serve you. No matter your market demands or production requirements, we can provide you with high productivity, high quality, and multifunctional solutions.